What are you doing? Huh? I love you. Yeah. What are you doing? Taking the stuffing out of your toy? Huh? Are you taking the stuffing out of your toy there? Looky, where'd you get that stuffing at? Seen you with that in your mouth a while ago. Where'd that come from? Did you take that out of one of your toys? You had your mouth full of cotton. Let's see. Did it come out of this one? Huh? Huh? Yeah. 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 Oh. Yeah. You want your mom and your best friend, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. What you doing, huh? What you doing? Is that your toy? Is that where that cotton comes from out of your mouth? It don't look, I don't see no holes out of it. Hmm? What? Yeah. No, girl? Yeah. Look at that. You having a good time playing? Oh, how cute. How pretty. Yeah. There's that cotton. Where'd you get that cotton from? I looked over there and I seen you with a mouthful of cotton. I thought, well, where in the world did that come from? Huh. You playing? Having a good time? You having a good time playing? I like to see you happy like that. Yeah. Oh, that's so. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's having a good time. I like to see you happy playing. Yes, I do. Yeah, yeah. Boy, you're really frisky today, aren't you, huh? Yeah, yeah. Hey, you gotta check me out and make sure it's me, don't you? Look at that. Aw, yeah. Doing your acrobats, huh? Are you doing your acrobats? Yeah. Aw. But every time I think I'm too sick to keep taking care of you, I can't, it makes me cry when I think about having to part with you. Yeah, I can't hardly stand to think about it. So I keep trying to keep hanging on and hanging on, don't I, honey? But I can't stand to think about us parting like that. No. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Nobody else understands you like I do they? Huh? And I can't stand them people eat fried squirrel. That really makes me mad, don't it? And I sure don't want them vultures to get a hold of you. Men that does that stuff. No. That'd tear me apart. That's what I gotta try to keep you as much longer as I can. Make sure nobody uses you. Oh boy, you're having a good time. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, boy. I like to see you have a good time. Boy, you've been chewing on your box, haven't you, over there? Yep. Been chewing on your box, huh? Yeah. Boy, I'm so glad you're having fun. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh. See, I could work at a circus, couldn't I? Yeah. Be the acrobat or the acrobat person, couldn't you? Acrobatic squirrel. See, I've had you since you was a week old. Didn't even have your eyes open and thought you's never going to survive. Did we? Did I? And I said a big prayer for you, didn't I? Where you going, huh? Where you going? You going downstairs? You going downstairs? You going back upstairs now? I bet you will. Got your wheel, you got cotton on your wheel, and you won't even get in it. You won't even get in it, and look, you're still scared of it, aren't you? Got your wheel, and you won't even get in there yet. See? Got your own Ferris wheel, but you won't get in it, will you? You gonna rest a little bit? You've been rubbing your nose on something. I see it. Is that fur gone off your nose? What you been rubbing your nose on? I know you've been gnawing your box, where you sleep, your bed. I hope that's not your fur missing. I hope that's something on your nose. What you doing, huh? Get your toy. Get your toy and play. Get your toys. Here. Come here and get little Miss Piggy. Looky, here's your Miss Piggy. See Miss Piggy? Here. Here. Aww. Come here. My little girl. She's my little girl. Yeah. 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 Look at her little hands. Yeah. She likes to talk to me, don't you? Yeah, she wants to get her nose in there and talk. Yeah. You're getting big. Your tail's getting all pretty and fluffy. Yeah. Yeah. My girl. She's my girl. Yeah, where's my pretty girl? Everybody else is scared of you, aren't they? They jump and you they won't get near you, will they? Yeah. There's all your toys over there. I'm going to leave you alone so you can finish playing, okay? Gonna get in your bed now? There's your doggy up there in your bed. Ain't it that you sleep with? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to leave you alone so you can go back to playing. I love you. There's that cotton you had in your mouth. I looked over there and you had a mouthful of cotton. I said, where in the world did that come from? That looks so cute though. In your mouth. Yeah. You gonna pick you out something to eat? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone so you can eat and play.